Hey guys, Steve Welch here again. Got some more products that I'm going to review here. So this one is actually pretty interesting. So it might not be exactly for your car, but if it's in your garage, it kind of is. So this is actually a high bay light, and we're going to see what we think about it. So it's supposed to be a 5000K, 150 watt. Should be pretty darn good, right? So just kind of looking on the inside of it here, and you can kind of get an idea as to how it's packed in there, right? So it doesn't look like it's too hard to get out. I'm just gonna kind of slide her out here and so, drop the little hook. So it's got a little hook that goes on there. Apparently you can hang it with a pipe too. So got a nice little instruction manual that's right here. When those are the instructions, it's probably not that hard to put together, right? So that's always good. And then, yeah, take a look. It just kind of come down. So it looks like it's got a little safety cable on it here, or some type of a clip, but all LEDs. So this thing should be pretty bright, right? So I got a plug behind me here. So this is, like I said, it's 150 watt. Where that hook goes, it's right in the back there. I know that they say you can put a little pipe on here too, and if you put that pipe on there, then you can hang it just a different way inside your garage or workshop, I'm sure. But let's see what we think of this thing. So it's available on Amazon, of course. So we'll pop this in there, and holy crap. So I'm in a semi-dark room, and obviously I wanted to do that for a reason, so you guys can get an idea on how bright this thing is. So just kind of here, let's just kind of look at the wall with it's kind of going yeah, just watch this. I love it when things work the way that they're advertised, right? So you can kind of get an idea as to how the thing looks. Wow, you can't look straight into it. So obviously if we were in a garage or that'd be a pretty good light to try to be able to work to. So if you're trying to do something in your garage, that'd be pretty awesome. So yeah. So I'm kind of looking at the back of it here, and there's wires on the back, which makes me think that you can probably wire it into a switch. And I know that it says it's dimmable, so kind of giving you some of the ins and outs on it. It's energy savings, 150 watt, 5000K, which is daylight, which is, yeah, it's definitely daylight, right? So you've also got, it says it's the equivalent to a 600 watt halogen lamp. So it saves 75% on your electric bill. You can dim it. So it says allows to connect to a 1-10V DC dimming switch. Durable. It's semi-waterproof. It says you can install yourself in 3 minutes. I believe that, because I just plugged this thing in and she works for us. So it's also, it comes with the hook. You can install it by a pendant or a hook. So workshop, garage, backyard, whatever you want to do with this thing, you can do a 5-year warranty on it. Definitely it looks like a good product. So it's CINOTON, CINOTON. They've got several different versions of it on Amazon. I'll link those for you guys. If you look at it on Amazon, you can see that there's you can get 4 packs, 8 packs, 1 pack, 2 packs. There's several different ways that you can do it, but it also gives you suggestions on how high you'd want to have it above the ground. But yeah, it works pretty good. Now, I'll tell you, there's a little bit of heat to it, so I mean it's got a little bit of warmth to it, but you can tell because that thing is is a little, yeah, see it. It's a little blinding. not really the easiest way to show you on there, but you guys can kind of get an idea on how bright this thing is. So here, let's do this. So there's kind of the room here. If you kind of look, you can see without, right, and then with that light. So it definitely, sorry, I'll kind of get a better look here. So take it away, kinda. So here, I'll turn it down so that it's off the ground, right? So this, you can kind of see the light in this room is pretty dark, right? And then boom. Sorry, I like it when something works like it's supposed to. So yeah, what do you guys think? Like I said, definitely take a look in the subscription there. So I always try to link to products, and a few people have reached out to me and asked me to review their products. I don't have a problem reviewing them. If I think they can help you guys, then I'm going to bring them to you and let you know whether or not I think they can help you. It's metal on the outside. I got my ring there. It's metal, so it's definitely something that that looks like it would be good for a shop or that. I'm not sure if you'd use it inside. It might be a little bit bright to be like a bedroom light. But hey, you do what you got to do, right? But I think a workshop, you put about 4 of these things in every corner of a workshop, and you're not going to be having any shadows in the inside of the thing. So definitely a bright light. But look at the links in the description there, and definitely reach over there and get you guys one of these things. These things are definitely going to be bright for you. So Steve Welch, guys have a great day. We're going to talk to you soon. Bye.